What's up guys, Daniel from Beardsman. We are going to be trimming up this mustache today. I'm Daniel, I own Beardsman. We make a ton of social content for you guys. We've done a bunch of videos, tutorials, tips, motivational sort of videos. We do lifestyle videos, we do a whole lot. We also sell and handmade all natural beard care products for guys like you, and they're pretty affordable. After this video, make sure you stay tuned, watch some more, and then go check out our website where you can find a bunch of awesome beard care. Now, for today's video, all you're gonna need is, well, I'm using a boar bristle brush, that's a roll brush, and I've got some scissors because they're the only two things you need. We're not gonna do a razor cut or anything like that. Actually, there's one other thing that I use quite a bit. If you guys have watched any of our previous trimming tutorial videos, you would have noticed that I use a beard bib here. So what we need to do, we need to start by brushing this mustache out. So it's already pretty much out. I've just washed it freshly, and we'll just do this. It can curl around quite a bit. We're just going to try and bring some of this shorter beard hair away from it. So as you can see, it's quite like fluffy at the end, so we probably want to take a bit off. I can already see, let's see if I can get in there. So like these really long bits here, and I don't think they're adding much to the beard, to the mustache, sorry, because most of the mustache weight is here. So when you take about that much off there, it's probably about the same here. But firstly, we're going to concentrate on this middle zone. So the middle zone is pretty easy to sort out if you do the right thing. You want to use your right hand to do your left side of your face, and you want to use your left hand to do the right side of your face. That way you're getting the same sort of angle on your mustache trim. A lot of people will go like that and then like that, and it gives a squarish cut there and a more angular cut there. And you don't really want to do that. So I'm just looking in the mirror here. So we've got a mirror right in front of us, and we're just going to brush it out a little bit more. Do you see the difference already? Like, we've got a nice cut there. It's sort of following the shape of the beard. And we're just going to do it with the left side. Left hand on the right side now. We just need to brush these bits out a little bit, otherwise we're going to do a square cut on them as well. Right, so it's a little bit off the lips now, which is exactly what we wanted in this zone just here. We just need a little bit more off. And we're going to switch hands, right hand to the left side. Okay, so that bit's done. Like, it feels better already. Now we just need to get the shape of the mustache out. So we're just gonna get it out with our hands a bit here. As you can see, it's nice and short here now. We've got a bit more shape to it. But the ends are causing a lot of bother still. So, this side particular, we've got a lot of loose hair just here. And a little trick you can do is just twist it like this. And look, let's just zoom in here. See all these bits here, like the thickness is just in that bit there, that clump of hair. All these bits are loose. So actually, we're just going to take this off. Pretty savagely, just like that. And that's just bringing that mustache under control a lot more now. And we're going to do it onto this side. And there is a risk that we're going to do it unevenly here, but it's just for starters, and we can tidy it up a little bit as we go. It doesn't really matter what hand you use here, so we're going to snip it about there on this side. Take some of those hairs off. And already that looks much nicer, much neater. And that's about all we needed to do for a big old trim up on that mustache, just to get it a little bit more pliable. Just if you wanted to get rid of all the scraggly bits, like that's all you need to do. Like it brings it under control, brings it a bit more into the beard. Doesn't mean like you can style it as much this way, but it just brought it under control, and that was the most important thing here. So we've got a bunch of hairs under here as well. These aren't actually part of the mustache, so we just need to trim those up as well. Now what I am noticing on this mustache in particular, this side, there's loads of longer hairs just here. And I'm just taking those out just to thin up this area a bit, because it's pushing the mustache up awkwardly. And you'll probably notice that this side of the mustache grows much thicker than this side. And that's just normal, like there's not much you can do about it. You're probably going to notice more yourself than anyone else, but you can just see it's just so much thicker at the end. And I think that's about it. Like we've given it a bit of shape. It's a little bit longer on this side and it's a little bit thicker, but the risk is, whilst you're growing a mustache, that if you start taking too much off each side, that you're going to lose a lot of the mustache, and you don't want that because one side will suddenly catch up. So all you want to do now is just oil it up, put some product in, and you're gonna be sorted. Guys, that's it. A really quick tutorial today. I didn't really want to labor it too much. It's just a way in which if your mustache is going out of control, bring it back in control like this. Grow it out a bit slower. Like that mustache I've been growing for a long time. Like I would have kept growing it if this was like a proper, if I wasn't shaving completely within the week because I'm doing a year, like that mustache would have stayed. I wouldn't have touched it. Like let's get that straight, because it was a pretty badass mustache. But I just thought, like, let's just show you how you can radically change your mustache, how you can tidy it up a bit. Like I can get a little curl on it now. It's a little bit neater, a little bit more under control. It's nowhere near what I could do where I could get it up to here, but it's just brought it back in control. It's taking it off my lip. There's a few little strays here which I'll capture at the like off camera, but that's what you want to do. Just don't do it too much. Like if you're growing the mustache out and you think it's a little bit untidy, just take a little bit off here. Don't go all the way around like I just did. Don't take the ends off, because you're gonna ruin your mustache. Like you're not gonna reach your mustache growing goals. Anyway, we'll see you soon, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions for us, pop them in the comments. We want to do a Q&A either live or just like this very soon. So yeah, do that. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.